Everyone, I'm Pam, and I run Canva Creations with Pam on Facebook and the Canva Clubhouse membership. And I am a Canva Convassador, so I know a little bit about Canva. All right, so let's go. All right, so I'm going to break down how to use. Um, I've been hearing that bulk create gets people a little overwhelmed because here they'll have like 100 designs or 30 designs, and they don't, it overwhelms them. So let's take that away and let's make seven. Let's make a week worth of social media, not a year or not a month. Okay, so let's do that. It's the same process. So if you want to go bigger, go bigger. All right. So this is what I'm going to show you. I'm just going to stay in Canva, but all that you can use ChatGPT if you want. But since I'm right here in Canva, I'm just going to use their AI. I feel quotes is quotes. And let's see here. All right, so this wallpaper I love, I love, I love. So, and it goes with my brand. So I'm going to use this. All right, you can go and pick any background you want, whatever. Just have this, and the size I'm using is 1080 by 1920. This is This is called phone wallpaper, but it is the same size as what I would do for Instagram story, um, reel, all that. So let's go. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is I need to find like a quote box. So I'm going to go over here to Element. Sorry, had to go up a little bit and put in. So I went over to elements. I'm going to put in quote box. All right. And I'm just go here and I'm going to go under graphics because I don't want a photo. And I'm going to see, I'm going to need one like this. So I'm just going to pick this. Array, of course, does not work, but don't worry, we can change it. All right, so I'm going to make the box exactly where I want it. And if you can't get that, just go up to position and go middle and center. And it'll put it right there where I want it, okay? You can align it to top, bottom, right, left, but there we go. Now let's change the color. I can change it to brand color. That does not look good. Now that is workable, that's workable, but I'm going to go down to some lighter colors of mine. And I like that. Now also you can do the photo colors if you want. You know, that's that color, there's that. I do like that. However, I'm going to stick with my teal right here because it kind of pops it a little bit, okay? All right, so I have my design ready. Now I just have to get, I'm going to text. I'm going to go over here to text, and as you can see, it says add text or magic write. I'm going to pick magic write at the moment, and I am going to type in here, please give me 7 quotes. My little filming thing is above. Okay, here we go. I'm just going to move this over here. Please give me 7 quotes for, and then you would put whatever you want, okay? And I'm going to go empower women. Okay, so it gave us 7 quotes. I am going to add a page. Oh, shoot. Okay, let's just do that again because I messed up. Okay. It's all good because it's all good. We're gonna go. So open a new open a new page before you go to Magic Write. So just click on right here, add a page, and it will bring this up. Okay, so now we're gonna go to Magic Write. Please, sorry guys, please give me 7 quotes about women in power. Or yeah, that could be women in power. Okay, there we go. And we're just going to generate. So you could, whatever you want, you just ask Canva Magic Write to give it to you. All right, so I am going to copy this before it disappears on me and paste. Okay, so there we go. Um, right now, I can, you know, clean out these little quotes right here, but I'm going to show you an easy way to do it in a bit. But let's go ahead and look. And I'm trying to see which one is the longest because that's the one we want to use to help design our um, box up here. Okay, so I'm going to add text. We're going to put this up here, and then I'm just going to copy that, make it the size I want. Okay, and then pick the font. Let's see here. It gives us recommended. Let's try a couple of them to see. Eh. I kind of like this one. I found it while I was looking for font pairing. So it's called Beautifully Delicious. Okay, I'm good with that. All right, and I'm going to do something with this later, but there's no point on doing it right now because when we do the bulk crate, it'll be taken out. I would, because I always make this a little bit, the name a little bit smaller. Okay. All right, I'm going to go back down here and I'm going to copy all of them again. And then I'm going to delete this page. I'm going to go over to apps and since, sorry, because I just used it. You want to do bulk crate, go bulk crate, and you are going to want to enter data manually. And you're going to put quotes here, and then you are going to copy, and we're going to have to do a little cleaning. And of course, I could have cleaned it up prior to putting it in here, but I want to show you guys just in case you come through this, okay? We are going to paste and see how it put a space in between all of them. It's because that copy and paste that will happen unless you don't have any spaces in there. But hey, we're only having 7 of them. I can easily clean this up. So you want to click on the box that has nothing. You want to right click it and you're going to go and you're going to delete row. And you're just going to, and of course, you don't, I just, okay. I just deleted one that I shouldn't have done, which is fine. Just watch that, okay? If you are doing a lot more than, like a week's worth, of course, clean it up prior. All right, so here I have 6 since I deleted one. Okay. And we are done. Okay, so then it brings us to step number 2 of the bulk crate. And what we want to do here is we are going to click on this, on the design and the quote, and we're going to go down to the three dots, and and it says connect to data, and that's what you want to do. So then this is what pops up. This is that. We're going to do that. They all turn purple. So you've connected the data. That's when it all turns purple. All right. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go continue. And you just select the ones that you want. Of course, I want all of them. And then let's see here, generate. We're going to generate. It's going to bring you to a window. Okay. And then some of them need to be cleaned up, some of them don't. All right. But I do know that I want to do a couple things before I stop the video. I'm going to, all right, highlight that, and I'm just going to bring it down a bit in font. Okay, so I'm going to do that to every single one of them. Let's go up to 30. Okay, and then I'm just going to align this so that it's centered. And if you don't like to do that, you just go over here and you press middle and center, or however you want it. Okay. Let's see here. If I bold that, I mean, it still looks okay if I bold it, so that's okay. Now I want to show you how to get rid of all the little quote things. And now this one I would probably bring up in size a bit more. And then there we go. And if we want to bold it, that looks good. Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay, now let's get rid of these little quotes. So we're going to go up to File, and we're going to go down to Find and Replace Text. Now you can use this with, like, if you have PLR and it has like this great site or someone else's URL, you can replace it like this. Okay. Let's move this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the quote thing in there. And as you can see, it says 10. I want to replace it with nothing. So I'm going to keep that. I'm not going to put anything in there. And then I'm going to put replace all. And all 10 matches were replaced. So if I go down in these, no more quotes. Okay. And then this, let's bring this up to 6. And there we go. I think I can go up to 60. There we go. So here now I have 7 quotes that didn't take me very long at all to just put out, schedule out onto my social media. Now, one other little trick, if you want to also post these on like Facebook or Instagram as in your feed, you can also go like this. Go up to Resize, and you're going to go down, you're going to search for, let's do Facebook post. And there's 2 of them here. I'll just go ahead and pick that one. And we're going to continue. So this is a simple way to create one design, but multiple ways on how to make it work for you. Okay, so let's go to copy and resize. We're going to open this. It opens up a whole design. And yeah, you're probably going to have to do a little bit of editing, but still saves you time. To be very honest, that doesn't even look like I need to change it. I think it's a good size. Okay, so there you go. real quick and easy. And then you go ahead and schedule them out. All right. Thank you.